Right. Right. So what we are talking about? Helping verbs, correct? Right. Under the helping verbs, what are the forms we discussed? Be forms, do forms, and have forms. Right. So these are the three forms we discussed in our previous class. Correct? Now, so yesterday we skipped a few words like this, that, these, those. Right? So these are the words we did not discuss yesterday. Correct?
Yes.
Right. So now we are going to talk about these things a little bit further. Right. So first let me tell you what is the singular, what is the plural here. This, a singular. That is also a singular. To indicate singulars, this and that, these are the two words we can use to indicate the objects generally. These, those. These two are plurals. Right? First two singulars, this, that. Singulars, these, those. Plurals. Right? So let me give you the examples, by then you can easily understand that. This is my house. Right? This is my pen. This is my mobile phone. Right?
Yeah.
So, let me tell you exactly what is meant by this. For example, are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see my mobile phone on the screen? Right? So this is my mobile phone. This is my mobile phone. It's near to me. Right? If I want to say that, so if something is far away, so that is my house. That is my house. This is my house. Okay? This is my house. That is my house. Okay?
Okay.
That is my house. This is my house. That is my house. Understood the difference?
Yes.
That is my pen. Okay? That is my pen. That is my mobile phone. This is my mobile phone. That is my mobile phone. For example, the mobile phone is here. This is my mobile phone. If it is somewhere far, that is my mobile phone. That is my mobile phone. Right? Next. So if there is more than one in number, for example, two houses. How many houses? Two houses. So in that case, These are my houses. These are my houses. These are my pens. These are my pens. These are my mobile phones. These are my mobile phones. Right? Similarly, if you're talking about the far away things, then you can say those, these, those. Those are my houses. Those are my pens. Those are my mobile phones. Right? Those are my mobile phones. Understood the difference? This, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. Okay? Is it clear to you all? Right. Good, good. So now, I'll give you one example. Try to change. For example, if I give the example with this, try to change to that. If I give the example with these, try to change to those. Okay?
those और days में क्या different है जैसा?
Gopal,
Hello?
your voice is not clear.
Days और those क्या different है?
Yeah.
यानी
For example,
days are my
these.
days are my house
Yes.
और those are my house.
Yes. Those are my house. These are my house. In Hindi, A, O.
ये है और वो
Yes. A
ये
मेरा घर, वो मेरा घर. Understood?
yes
Right. So,
और दूसरा जैसे कि एक थर्ड पर्सन जैसे हम बता रहे हैं उनको कि does are my house और those my are house, तो इनमें ऐसा डिफरेंट क्या है? जैसे दूसरा
Sir,
शब्द भी डिफरेंट है लेकिन उसको और कैसा? हेलो,
yeah, Gopal ji.
थर्ड पर्सन यूज करेंगे ना हम इसको?
Yes, yes. So, this, that, these, those, these are all third persons.
तो does और those कैसा कैसे यूज करना है? जैसे अभी आपने एग्जांपल जो बताया है तो दोनों सेम ही एग्जांपल है.
Gopal sir,
हाँ,
when things are near to us, it means if number of pens is in my hand, then we have to use these are my pens. But when that pens are in your son's hand, which who is far from us, at that time those are pens.
Right. So, are you able to see the mobile phone and watch? These are my pen, my watch and mobile. Okay. If these are far somewhere, for example, in my house, in the next room, or somewhere in, right? So, for example, these are in a table. So, I can say those are my pen, my watch, my mobile phone, like that. Okay?
okay.
So, near to me, these. Far, those. Those. Singular, this. Plural, that. Sorry, singular, this. Plural, these, those. Okay? Understood the
Okay.
difference?
Yes.
So there are two singulars, two plurals. This, that, singular. These, those. Let me draw you a little bit picture. By then you can easily understand that. Right. So just assume that this is the person. Okay. So just assume that this is a person. He is referring a house. Okay. This is my house. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
So the same person, if he want to talk about this, that is
That
my
is
house.
my.
Definitely.
Right? Similarly,
Yes.
similarly, if he want to talk about this one and this one, right? These
Those
are
my-
my houses. Okay. These are my houses. The same way, right? If he want to talk about these two, those are my houses. Okay? This is my house. That is my house. These are my houses. Those are my houses. Clear?
Yes.
Right. So now I'm going to give you a few examples. Now what you're supposed to do is try to change with one another. For example, that is the car. Right? So try to change by using these things. Right? So that is the car. So Kavita ma'am, can you change it from that to this? Kavita ma'am. This is a car, right? Next, Ramesh ji.
Yeah,
Yeah, change it. Change by using these.
these are cars.
Very good. These are cars, right? So Gopal ji.
Those are cars.
Very good. Those are cars, right?
Yes.
Great. So now, one more example. This is not my house, right? This is not my house. Change it to that.
That is not my house.
Right. That is not my house. Great. So next, these.
Those are
These
not
are
my house.
not my house.
These are not my house. Right. These are not my Houses.
House.
Houses, plural.
Hmm.
Right. Next.
Those are not my
Those are
houses.
Great. Those are not my houses. Right. So this, that, singular. These, those, plural. Clear?
yes.
Yes.
Right. Change it to the next type, any type.
This is my friend.
This is my friend.
That is my friend.
Those are my friends.
That is my
Wow.
friend. These are my friends.
Those are my friends.
Right. So these are my friends, those are my friends, this is my friend, that is my friend. Right. So now I have a small doubt here because no one asked any doubt, so I'm asking a small doubt. If you don't ask the doubt, I'll ask the doubt. Right. So as we discussed, this, that, these, those generally can be used to talk about non-living things or objects. This is what we discussed. Correct?
Yes.
But here, friends, these are non-living things or objects. These are all human beings, right?
Yeah.
Then why we are using this, that, these, those?
When we show,
Mhm.
sir, when we show the object,
Yes,
at that time you use this.
yes, correct.
And when we tell belongingness or
Belongingness. Good, nice.
मेरा है ऐसा बोलना है तो he is my friend.
Yes, yes. Right? So here we are referring that DNS are simply we can say, of course, those are all human beings, but some exceptions are there. Right? Exceptions. Exceptions, these are my friends. Right? So here we are directly referring to the friend, a man. But this is a small exception that these are my friends. For example, yesterday I said, if anyone will ask you what is your name, you have to say, my name. My name is or I am. So these are the words we're supposed to use. This is what I said yesterday, correct? But the same time I said, you should not use disease. Right? Say yes or no. If you use disease, it's wrong. It's wrong in one condition. The same time, it is correct in one condition. How? For example, if you are talking face to face, you should not say, this is Pramod. That is wrong. But if you are talking on the phone, you can say, this is Pramod. There they are listening to your voice, not the human being. Voice is not a living thing. Sound is not a living thing. It's an object. Correct? Sound is an object. To indicate that, you can use this. In that case, that is correct. Understood? Are you able to understand this concept or not?
Understood.
Right. The similar way, Generally, these, those, this, that, these are the pronouns can be used to indicate objects. But sometimes we can use to indicate our belongings. Right? Our
Yes.
belongings. Right? That's why we are using these, this, that, those. Okay? Okay. So there is a small difference. Sometimes we will give some exceptions. So this is the way how we can understand. So if you use this is direct face to face, this is wrong. If you use the same thing in the phone, that is correct. Right? So this is the way how we supposed to understand English language. Is it clear?
Yes.
Right. So tomorrow what you supposed to do is try to write down the examples for this, that, these, those. At least 2 examples for this, that. All right. 2 examples for this, 2 examples for that, 2 examples for those, 2 examples for these. No smart work. Try to show your hard work.
Okay. Okay.